Hello again, Owen J. Roberts Middle School families. It's Mike Brill, the teacher on special assignment. And I'd like to take a few minutes in this video and just show you how you'll access your Google Meet for parent-teacher conferences when you're using a mobile device, whether it's an iPad, an iPhone, or some sort of Android device. This video will help you to better understand, again, how you access these meetings from a mobile device. So here I am using my iPad in the same Wakelet form that Mr. Stoltz sent out, and I navigate to find the links to the Google Meet, and I'm going to pretend I'm meeting with myself again. Now, in this instance, I already have the Gmail app installed on my iPad. So notice when you do, you'll get a little pop-up that asks you to allow for your camera and allow for your use of your microphone. If you have the Gmail app installed, it's pretty simple. So you're just going to allow access, click join, and it'll look vaguely familiar to those of you who've done Google Meet on a computer. So that's all it'll take. Let's take a look at how you'll do this without Gmail installed. You'll go back to the same Wakelet from Mr. Stoltzfus, and you'll navigate to find the teacher with whom you'd like to meet and click on their Google Meet link. And once you do, it'll automatically open in Safari or whatever browsing app you use, and it'll ask you to sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in, it'll ask for the same permissions to allow access to camera and microphones. And once you do that, you can go ahead and you can ask to join. Where it says join now on mine, it'll say ask to join. And that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you find these conferences to be easy from your own couch. You don't have to come into school. And if you need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out and email. I'd be happy to do all I can.